Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Shopify store currency. First, go to your store and make sure you're logged in. Here, click on Settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. Go to the store details. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of store currency. Select your desired currency from the given list. You'll have several currencies. Select the one as per need. Once you're done, hit the Save button from the top right corner. So this is how you can change Shopify store currency in 2023. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.